Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 82, and today's topic is how to add a single dot animation in Concept Sketcher in Airline Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected towards the workspace page. Over there you will see a feature called Concept Sketcher. Click on it and the next page you would be redirected to a Concept Sketcher canvas. Here in the input you need to give your use case, and we have already generated the diagram for my use case, that is sequence scheduling flow diagram shows the process of the arrival of job ready queues. And then click on the generate button, and then in the next 15 to 20 seconds this diagram would get generated on your canvas. So today we are talking about the animation, so kindly click on the animation panel. And we are talking about the single dot animation. So enable the animation and you would see a dot flowing around the edges. If you want to change the size of the dot, you can do it from this bar. If you want to change the color of the dot, you can do it from here. If you want to change the glue color, you can do it from here. And if you want to update the glue intensity, you can use this bar. And if you want to update the animation speed, you can do it from this bar. So basically adding a single dot animation in Concept Sketcher helps you make your diagrams more interactive and easy to understand. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.